Okay, everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Just want to take a quick look at Axon. And by the way, to members, I did a pretty in-depth review of all the stocks on our active trade list. So you definitely want to check that out. Anyway, so on this one, Axon, we put this on the list a few days ago. I was just anticipating I was anticipating a breakout. So we got in at 256, basically 257. So we're up what 11 bucks. I don't know, I'm all brain dead. 12 bucks. So we're up nicely today. What I like about this is it's been in a squeeze and these Bollinger Bands are just starting to expand. And that's what we want to see. Now, I'm doing this with over an hour and 45 minutes remaining in the trading day, and this is already on heavier than average volume. So I bought, I didn't buy a huge position, but I had some and I added to it today when the stock gapped up just slightly, but then just kept going. You can see it on the on the intraday chart here, 5 minute chart. The stock started to jump and it just hasn't really turned back during the middle part of the day. Of course, you're going to get low volume because that's just the way stocks trade intraday. But as we do go into the afternoon, we're seeing more buying coming in. So I like this stock among other reasons for that reason. Like intraday, I think this stock is really going to work, and I actually think that it's kind of just getting started. We've got a few stocks on the ATI that are like this, where nice breakout from a long base, nice move higher, and then another consolidation. So this looks to me like it's just starting the next leg higher. I think you want to be a buyer here. It would be nice to be able to get it or have been able to get it at a little bit lower price. But, it's only up 4% today. So it seems like a lot, but from the breakout, that's about 3.2%. So you're maybe a little bit late in getting in, but not too late. And you can see where our stop is. We got in a few days ago, so we could afford to have a lower stop. I'm not going to suggest a higher stop if you're buying here because I don't know what your situation is. But I'll just say these are the kinds of stocks that you want to look at. I'm only comparing this to with respect to the chart and really in nothing else. But you see or you saw the same type of thing here. You saw the same type of thing with NVIDIA here and some other stocks as well. So it does pay, seriously does pay, to be recognizing these types of patterns and not allowing yourself to get shaken out too soon. Okay. All right. That's it. Those of you that registered for the 10 steps to trading excellence class or session last night, I appreciate you coming, and you'll be getting a copy of that recording later today as soon as they can do it. And we're only sending that out to people that had registered. It really isn't for public consumption. So that's all I got for you. I'll see you all next time.